But our observation is that we are not appreciating the workmanship, given that already the study has not been handed over, but we have seen some reasonable cracks on the walls. But the architect has explained that it is nothing much to worry about because it doesn't affect the whole structure. But we are saying before anything is handed over to either the county government or the national government, we must make sure that the few things that are not right would have been corrected. But bottom line, and what is more critical, is that the pitch, it doesn't look good either. And the most important thing about the stadiums is that the pitch must be to the international standards for it to be useful. And from where we sit is that so far it is moderate. But again, we have just asked the two governments who are supervising these works to provide all the documentation so that the committee may go through them and confirm that there is a value for money, and that anybody doing otherwise, we shall not be able to tolerate that. The allocated amount for this study from the government side is over 700 million. So far the percentage is reasonably well because of the works that has gone on where we are. I think so far around 600 million has spent, and the rest as they conclude the works. The completion is actually, they have given us May, and we are saying they must deliver. If nothing happens by that time, then you can be sure we will be here again to make sure that whoever gave us the timelines and did not deliver, action is taken.